In recent years, France has become increasingly interested in Somaliland, especially when it comes to economic partnerships and investment opportunities. So why is France focusing on this relatively small, unrecognized country in the Horn of Africa? Let's take a closer look at the key reasons behind France's growing interest in Somaliland. Somaliland, located in the Horn of Africa, holds a crucial position along some of the busiest maritime trade routes in the world. It controls access to the Red Sea and the Gulf of Aden, which connect Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. These shipping lanes are vital for global trade. For France, strengthening its relationship with Somaliland ensures access to these strategic maritime routes, which is important for both economic and military interests in the region. Given France's own naval presence in the Indian Ocean, maintaining influence over this area is a clear priority. Another significant factor is Somaliland's potential for rich natural resources. The country is believed to have untapped deposits of oil, gold, and uranium. France, home to major multinational corporations like Total, sees an opportunity to get involved in the exploration and extraction of these resources. With limited foreign competition, France could position its companies early in what could become a highly profitable market. Unlike many of its neighbors, Somaliland has enjoyed relative peace and political stability since it declared independence from Somalia in 1991. This stability makes it an attractive destination for investment. In contrast, Somalia continues to face internal conflict and instability. For France, this makes Somaliland a much safer and more predictable place to do business, offering long-term security for projects and investments. Somaliland is actively working to boost its economy and improve infrastructure. The government has been seeking foreign partners to help drive this growth. France, with its expertise in sectors like energy, technology, and infrastructure, is stepping in to provide both investment and technical support. French companies are already involved in energy production and infrastructure projects in Somaliland, and there's a lot more potential for collaboration in the coming years. France's growing interest in Somaliland is not just about economics, it's also about geopolitical positioning. The Horn of Africa is becoming an increasingly important region, and global powers like China, Turkey, and the Gulf states are expanding their influence. By deepening its ties with Somaliland, France ensures it maintains a presence and influence in the region, especially as global competition for influence in Africa intensifies. Somaliland's government is really keen on improving its economy and infrastructure, which makes it a prime partner for foreign investors. France sees this as an opportunity to enter new markets, not just for its companies, but also to help shape the future of Somaliland's economy. With projects in areas like telecommunications, transportation, and energy, France is already making its mark, with more opportunities on the horizon. Finally, one of the more unique aspects of Somaliland's situation is its lack of international recognition as an independent state. Although it declared independence from Somalia back in 1991, Somaliland has not been recognized by the international community. This has limited its ability to access international financing, trade deals, and diplomatic support. France's interest helps fill that gap, providing support for Somaliland in areas where recognition might otherwise be a barrier. So, why is France focusing on Somaliland for economic talks? It's a combination of strategic location, rich natural resources, political stability, and economic opportunities. France is not just helping Somaliland grow, it's also positioning itself for long-term influence and investment in the region. As both countries continue to strengthen their relationship, this partnership could shape the future of Somaliland and France's role in the broader Horn of Africa.